Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Aveeno Dry Skin Wash is probably one of the most popular choices for people with dry skin, offering a gentle yet effective way to cleanse and hydrate without stripping away essential oils, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. In today's video, we'll dive deep into this body wash, exploring its key ingredients, texture, scent, and overall effectiveness to help you decide if it's the right fit for your dry skin needs. Number 5. Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash. This is Aveeno's Skin Relief Body Wash, a fragrance-free cleanser perfect for sensitive skin. It's designed to soothe and moisturize, leaving your skin feeling comfortable all day long. It features a unique triple oat formula with oat flour, oat extract, and oat oil. This blend gently cleanses while helping to maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier. For over 70 years, Aveeno has been a dermatologist-recommended brand. This body wash is suitable for daily use and is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. In studies, 93% of users found it left their itchy, dry skin feeling soothed and moisturized. It's the perfect solution for dry, irritated skin. It's allergy-tested and free of fragrances, parabens, dyes, and soap. This makes it ideal for those with sensitive skin and allergies. Use it daily as part of your skincare routine. For even better results, follow up with Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion to lock in moisture for up to 48 hours. What we like? It's formulated with a unique triple oat blend, leaving your skin soothed and moisturized. The extra large bottle ensures you have plenty of product for daily use. If you have extremely dry skin and want a great value, this is the one for you. What people say? The texture is smooth and creamy, and it lathers up nicely with just a little product. After using it, my skin feels soft, hydrated, and clean, without feeling stripped or tight. This body wash contains a blend of oat flour, oat extract, and oat oil, which work together to soothe irritated skin and provide long-lasting hydration. Oats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, so they're perfect for calming itchy, sensitive skin. After each wash, you'll notice your skin feels soft and smooth, without that tight, dry feeling that some body washes leave behind. It helps to lock in moisture and relieve itching. Number 4. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Body Wash. Experience the soothing power of Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Body Washington. It's specially formulated to gently cleanse and nourish even the most sensitive skin. This sulfate-free body wash is incredibly gentle. It cleanses effectively without drying out your skin, leaving it feeling soft and comfortable. It's enriched with oat, aloe, and provitamin B5. These ingredients work together to soothe and nourish your skin, leaving it feeling healthy and balanced. This body wash is perfect for dry, distressed skin. It provides long-lasting relief and leaves your skin feeling calm and hydrated throughout the day. Aveeno has been a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years. You can trust it to be gentle and effective on your sensitive skin. It comes in a bottle made with 30% post-consumer recycled plastic. It's gentle on your skin and the planet. In clinical studies, it was proven effective in soothing distressed skin. It's part of a complete regimen for sensitive skin. What we like? This gentle cleanser is enriched with oat, aloe, and provitamin B5 to nourish and soothe sensitive skin. It's also sulfate-free, making it ideal for those with delicate skin. If you are looking for a gentle, nourishing wash for sensitive skin, this is perfect for you. What people say? It doesn't leave that greasy feeling that so many other products have, but it's still so hydrating. The product is buildable. Every time I come out of the shower I feel clean, hydrated, and healthy. It also cleans really gently, which is good for people with drier or more sensitive skin. It's gentle on my sensitive skin and leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. The soothing oat and aloe formula is perfect for daily use. Number 3. Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash. Introducing Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash, specially designed for sensitive skin. Its fragrance-free formula is gentle yet effective. It features a unique triple oat formula with oat flour, oat extract, and oat oil. This blend gently cleanses while helping to retain your skin's natural moisture. This daily body wash leaves itchy, dry skin feeling soothed and moisturized. Experience the relief you've been looking for. From a dermatologist-recommended brand with over 70 years of experience, it's suitable for everyday use. It's a trusted choice for sensitive skin. It's allergy tested and free of fragrances, parabens, dyes, and soap. This gentle formula is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Use it daily as part of your skincare routine. Follow with Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion to lock in moisture for up to 48 hours. What we like. It features the same effective triple oat formula, providing soothing relief for itchy, dry skin. It's dermatologist recommended, so you can trust its gentle, effective formula. If you need a reliable, dermatologist-approved option for dry skin, choose this one. What people say. A gentle oil mixture that feels like a less greasy version of the old Aveeno shower oil. It does not feel like I'm going to slip on it in the shower, and it does get kind of sudsy without feeling soapy. My skin feels very nice afterwards. The body wash lathers nicely. I use a puff and put in about a $50 coins worth of soap. It works very well. I don't have any irritation at all. So it does exactly what it is supposed to do. This is the only body wash I've tried that hasn't negatively affected my sensitive skin. Number 2. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. Introducing Aveeno's Daily Moisturizing Body Wash, specially formulated for dry and sensitive skin. It's infused with soothing prebiotic oat to gently cleanse and nourish your skin, leaving it feeling soft and healthy. This unique formula contains prebiotic oat, a natural ingredient known for its skin-soothing properties. It helps to maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving you feeling comfortable all day long. It gently cleanses without stripping away essential oils, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. The light fragrance is subtle and won't irritate sensitive skin. It's formulated to be gentle on even the most sensitive skin. It's allergy tested and free of harsh ingredients like parabens, dyes, and soap. For even better results, use it with Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours. It can also be used as a luxurious shave gel. Aveeno has been a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years, so you can trust it to care for your skin. Experience the Aveeno difference today. What we like. This body wash contains prebiotic oat to gently cleanse and hydrate your skin. It has a light fragrance, making it a pleasant addition to your shower routine. If you like a lightly scented, hydrating wash, this is a great choice. What people say. It's moisturizing but feels luxurious on your skin at the same time, and the scent is very light and amazing. Leaves skin feeling moisturized but not greasy. Excellent for dry skin. I didn't experience burning as others have stated, and it worked well to moisturize my skin. Number 1. Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash. Experience the soothing relief of Aveeno Skin Relief Body Washington. Its gentle coconut scent and unique triple oat formula will leave your skin feeling calm and hydrated. This daily body wash is enriched with a soothing blend of oat flour, oat extract, and oat oil. It gently cleanses while helping to preserve your skin's natural moisture. It's designed to leave itchy, dry skin feeling soothed and moisturized. 93% of users agreed. From a dermatologist-recommended brand trusted for over 70 years, it's suitable for daily use and perfect for sensitive skin. This body wash is allergy tested and free of parabens, dyes, and soap. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. For lasting hydration, follow your cleansing with Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion to lock in moisture for up to 48 hours. What we like. It combines the benefits of the triple oat formula with a gentle coconut scent for a luxurious shower experience. It effectively soothes itchy, dry skin while offering a pleasant aroma. If you enjoy a subtly scented body wash that effectively soothes dry skin, this is for you. What people say. Leaves skin so silky and smooth. Since using this product, my skin feels softer and less dry. It works great. My skin is so soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.